Because it really can't get bigger than this. After the stunning cash scandal hit the judiciary, Times Now has accessed undeniable evidence of alleged unaccounted cash found at Justice Yashwant Verma's house. You'll be shocked to see the mountains of cash that were hidden in the storeroom and burnt down in the fire. Believe it or not, the remnants of that cash pile still remains 9 days after the fire was reported to have broken out. Now, amidst all the mystery and intrigue and controversies around the case, Times Now has exclusively accessed evidence of money that was burnt down in the fire. There are still burnt notes at the judge's residence, and our team of reporters, Priyank, Sabyasachi and Isha, spotted them outside his house. Can this evidence be denied?
It's a massive exclusive that Times Now has access. It's a burnt piece of the 500 rupees note. See, from the day the incident has come into light, we had seen that visuals yesterday had been showing of the burnt 500 rupees notes. Today morning, we had seen that the burnt furnitures were kept in one place, but there was no traces of the cash. But we have finally accessed and found a burnt piece of the 500 rupees note that we are showing to our viewers. We have also spoken to the NDMC staff workers who were here. In fact, the NDMC staff workers have said that 4-5 days before they had collected around 25 to 30 burnt 500 notes from this location. I'm heading towards Isha. Isha, please take over.
Right, thank you, Sabyasachi. This is also a Sagarika, the note that we have recovered here. We will walk towards the spot from where we have found the notes. This is the spot where the NDMC truck was present. In fact, they were doing their duty. They were picking up the garbage. And Priyank Tripathi was the one who discovered the note here. And this is the exact place where the notes were found. This is where Priyank is also present. He was the one who discovered the notes here. And one of the bit is also in my hand. Request my camera person to also zoom in as to show the viewers the burnt note and the extent of the burnt that has happened. Over to Priyank now.
This is the massive disclosure which we have seen. The investigation actually was very easy. Any agency could have come here. We spotted NDMC officials at this location, and when we came here, our colleagues have picked a few of the notes. And this is the location. This is the wall, first of all. See, this is the wall of the house of Justice Verma. And when we reached here, see what we are finding. This is the respect which has been given to the note, which is praised like a god here. There's another piece of note. I would like to read out the number, although the numbers are not visible in this, but certainly what we can see that this is 9CE. That is the series of the number of these 500 rupees note, which is lying right here. So the fact of the matter is that over the period of last few hours, since the time the news broke out and we tried to bring out it for our viewers, we have been reporting on the ground, and this is what we are spotting. The color of the leaves are similar. That's why it was difficult for someone to actually spot that how the notes came here.
And that is not all. Yet another Times Now super exclusive where we get you the eyewitness accounts. Times Now's Sabyasachi actually spoke to an NDMC official. They are revealing how they saw bundles of burnt cash in the garbage.
These people from the NDMC, they have collected burnt notes of 500 from here, and clearly you can see that they are claiming that from this particular debris area 500 burnt notes were being collected. We'll try to get more words from them. सुरेंद्र जी, यहाँ पे कितने आपको नोट मिले थे जले हुए?
20-25 नोट थे वो जले हुए थे वो
20-25 नोट थे। मतलब 500 के थे, 2000 के थे?
500 के नोट।
500 के नोट?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ।
और ये किस दिन की बात है, अगर बता पाए?
ये 4-5 दिन हो गए सर।
4-5 दिन पहले मिले थे।
हाँ जी।
तो आपको आइडिया है कि इसी मकान से आए?
नहीं सर, इतना आइडिया हम नहीं बता सकते, क्योंकि ऐसा कूड़ा तो कहीं से भी आ सकता है। कूड़ा कहीं से भी आ सकता है।
तो 20-25 ही थे?
हाँ, 20-25 नोट थे वो।
और ये कहाँ से मिले आपको?
सर इस तरफ से मिले थे, यहाँ से।
अच्छा, ये नीचे जो कूड़े हैं वहाँ से मिले थे। तो उसके बाद और मिले?
नहीं उतने ही मिले थे बस,
उतने ही मिले थे?
उतने ही मिले थे,
उसके बाद और नहीं
उसके
मिले?
बाद नहीं मिले।
So there you go, that he has collected 500 rupee debris from the area, from the NDMC area, because see, at this particular point, this is the area where they are claiming that they have collected the burnt 500 rupee notes. See, earlier we were showing you the visuals that how the burnt furniture were placed, but the cash were missing. But here the NDMC workers who are here, they have said that 4 to 5 days back they have collected the burnt 500 rupee note from this particular area.
ये जले हुए नोट थे यहाँ पे, ये हम कूड़ा उठा रहे थे तो उसमें पूरा नोट जला हुआ था, बीच का हिस्सा बचा हुआ था सिर्फ। 500 के नोट थे।
अलग सा नहीं लगा कि भैया
क्योंकि उसके पैसे जल गए होंगे शायद, तो उसका कूड़ा यहाँ गिरा था, वो हम उठा रहे थे, उसमें से 500 के नोट निकल रहे थे जले हुए।
तो कितनी तादाद में होगा, कितना भी होगा?
वो ऐसे देखो ही मुश्किल से 20-25 नोट तो ऐसे थे और कुछ कूड़े में जा चुके थे, जो दिख रहे थे हमें वही उठा रहे थे हम।
तो आपको पता है कि ये किसका घर है?
ये तो पता नहीं सर किसका घर है, लेकिन ये हमें ये पता है कि यहाँ काम करते हैं हम, तो छोटी गुलाई में से ही कूड़ा यहाँ का गिरा है।
ओके।
So far, what we have shown you are the versions from outside the house and versions from today. Now, let's take you back to that fateful night of 14th and 15th March and look at the mountains of cash in its entirety as it was spotted and found by the Delhi Fire Services officials on that night. The video that's currently playing out on your screens also shows a firefighter who's wading through that cash, the burnt currency notes, and he even goes on to exclaim, you can see the notes with Mahatma Gandhi's picture on them burning.
महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई। महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई। महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई। महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई।
Undeniable proof of what was there in the house, a version that has also been contradicted and denied over the course of last few days ever since the story made headlines. But now let's break down in detail the other contradictions that just don't add up. First of all, it is the denial that there was any cash that was found. Remember, on Friday, Times Now was the one who had spoken to the chief of Delhi Fire Services, and he had then denied any cash being found by his team when they arrived at the spot. Within 24 hours, there was a seeming U-turn, and now the video shows Delhi Fire personnel clearing the burnt cash piles. So was he not aware, or was he trying to hide something? Atul Garg, the chief of Delhi Services, had on March 21 told Times Now that there was nothing suspicious and denied any cash discovery either. Yesterday, in a U-turn, he said that he never said that no cash was found. Let's listen in to what he said on Friday first.
Sir, have you given a report to the senior officials? Or that
No report was asked from me.
No report has been asked from you. Sir, did anyone contacted you, sir? So there you saw Atul Garg, who is the director of the Delhi Fire Services. He has said that whatever was supposed to be done has been done by the Delhi Fire Services, and no report has been sought from Mr. Garg. The Delhi Fire Service reached to the location. They have managed to control the fire, but certainly the manner in which issues are raised, let's see whether he's again willing to talk.
मेरे पास कोई स्टेटमेंट नहीं है देने के लिए।
So Mr. Garg does not have any kind of statement.
मेरे को आप क्या? I have said I have no comment to offer.
From probe to seizure to transfer to action, there are several unanswered questions at every step of this case, and Group Editor-in-Chief Navika Kumar brings you those.
The questions that we want answers to are, number one, Supreme Court had delinked the transfer from the fire incident. Why does this not come across in the report of the Delhi High Court Chief Justice? Where did the proposal of transfer of Justice Verma emanate from? And why did the Supreme Court backtrack after the whole incident became public? Did Justice Upadhyay suspect arson in the fire incident? If so, why was a report not registered? Why no case was registered with the Delhi police on March 15? When burnt cash remnants were mentioned in the police report, why did the police only do verbal communication and not count this? Burnt currency notes were left unattended in the storehouse. Why? Is there an official police diary recording the recoveries and what was the amount? Did the police share the recovery diary with the courts and the justices? Was there a discrepancy in who reported the fire, the daughter of the judge or the personal secretary? Who cleared the debris from the storeroom the next morning, and why was it done in a hush-hush manner? Why does nobody have a record? Who does Justice Verma suspect of framing him? Why is that not out in the open? Why was the inquiry limited to oral responses initially? Was the delay in case an attempt to bury the matter? Many questions that really still remain unanswered.
While Chief Justice of India has called for a deeper investigation and a committee has been appointed for that, the legal troubles only seem to be mounting for Justice Verma, because Allahabad High Court Bar Association is also planning to hold a meeting on Monday regarding Justice Verma. In this meeting, the lawyers are likely to raise a demand for either an ED or a CBI investigation into the case.
इस बात से तो बहुत खुशी मिली है, इस बात से कि उनका जुडिशियल पावर विड्रॉ कर लिया गया है। काफ़ी मटेरियल पब्लिक डोमेन में आ गए हैं, उनके खिलाफ वीडियो वगैरह सब आ गए हैं, लेकिन मेरा ये कहना है कि अभी भी वो कंप्लीट नहीं है। मटेरियल में जो ट्रांसपेरेंसी चाहिए वो नहीं है, और इंक्वायरी जो है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन है, वो सीबीआई या ईडी से होनी चाहिए, ये हमारा कहना है। इससे नीचे के किसी बात से जनता का विश्वास नहीं लौट सकता।
And faith in investigation is also what Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal has expressed. He says that the panel that has been constituted by the Apex Court is pending in the case. It is probing the case and the centre is waiting for the panel's report.
We have Arjun Ram Meghwal with us. He is currently in Manipur. Sir, जो चर्चा चल रहा है दिल्ली में, दिल्ली की जो हाई कोर्ट की जो जज है जिसके घर से कैश बरामदी हुई है, उसकी कार्रवाई की भी निर्देश दिया गया है, किस तरीके से देखते हैं? कई सारे हल्लागोल, राजनीतिक हलचल भी इस बात को लेकर।
देखिए, आपको मैंने पहले भी बताया, अब भी बता रहा हूं कि ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसके लिए एक 3 सदस्यीय कमेटी बनाई है, जिसमें 2 तो हमारे चीफ जस्टिस हैं, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट के चीफ जस्टिस हैं, एक हिमाचल के चीफ जस्टिस हैं, एक कर्नाटक से माननीय जज हैं। तो ये 3 सदस्यीय जो समिति बनी है वो जांच कर रही है। जांच की रिपोर्ट आने पे बाकी बात होगी ना।
राजनीतिक जो चर्चाएं चल रही है, जो आरोप उठ रहा है, इस पर क्या
इसको राजनीति के साथ नहीं जोड़ना चाहिए। सुप्रीम कोर्ट इसमें इंक्वायरी कर रहा है और उसके बाद हम हमारी बात कहेंगे।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। सो यूनियन MOS लॉ एंड जस्टिस Arjun Ram Meghwal, while speaking to Times Now, said that let the committee table its final report with regard to this investigation, then it will be right to make any comment.
Time for us to take a very quick break. On the other side, we get you all the latest on terms of Iftar and the party politics.